Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess engineer, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
Hi, my name is Anna Morton Rivera, and I'm a professional engineer.
What do you do for your career?
I work with architects to design buildings. My primary job is to select equipment for buildings and make sure that it works with the building and then works with the other equipment correctly.
What super skill do you use in your career?
The super skill I use the most, I think, is asking questions. As an engineer, asking questions is really important. And probably second to asking questions would be teamwork.
How has your career helped you with being successful?
By really teaching me how to problem solve, or I think giving me the confidence in myself as being a good problem solver.
Are you still learning?
Every day. Yeah, it's an important part of growing professionally. Part of learning is feeling like uncomfortable and like you don't understand something. And so just because you feel uncomfortable and like you don't get it, that usually means you're learning, not that you're dumb. So I think that's an important distinction. It's actually good to feel like you don't know something because that's an opportunity to learn it.
What's the coolest part of your job?
I think it's getting to see buildings after they're built. It's really, really satisfying to design something and then see kind of the product.
What an amazing career! Also, use your ask questions super skill to get the job done. And think about all the things you could be.